Okay, looks like some action going on up here. Somebody got pulled over for something. I don't know what. Some lady driving her truck here. Let's see, is he security or is he, oh, he's a ranger. He is a ranger. Okay. This is LaPosa South. Wonder what was going on with that. LaPosa South LTVA. Who knows? Maybe she was breaking the law. I don't know. Speed limit's 15, so maybe she was going too fast. Who knows? Hey, Banjo. What do you think about somebody giving you a thumbs down on your ASMR video? Can you believe they did that? You're such a cute puppy. Why would they give you a thumbs down? Oh well. Just made him sad. I'm sorry. They're lost. They're losers. Got some more rain coming. Rained a little early this morning, a little bit last night. It's been nice. It's keeping the dust down. Nothing too crazy going on with the weather. Just some light rain here and there. Some cooler temperatures. Not bad at all. Really windy day. Gonna step out here, try out my new mic windshield. A little trick I learned on. There went my hat. Oh my gosh! Door flew open. I'm gonna see if this wind cover thing is working. I'm like looking right into the wind. We got the wind coming like straight from the southwest right now. I looked, it says it's 18 miles per hour wind with 35 mile per hour gusts. So, crazy windy. If I was just using my camera without the microphone, here's what it would sound like. We got lots of rain again overnight. Man, it is hard to even stand out in this wind. But it's very, very wet conditions out here. You got to be careful when you're driving through washes out here. You could easily get stuck. Speaking of washes, let's walk over. We're in Quartzsite, by the way, at one of the LTVAs. So you can see some standing water here. And like if we were to get like a downpour right now, this would flood quickly right over in here. This is a wash right here, kind of a wide one, and it's not real deep, but you can see how it could quickly fill up with water. See the puddles up there? So it's about 50, I'm thinking about 55 degrees, but with this wind, probably makes it feel like 45. Just a quick little walk around our camp here. Give you an idea of where we're at, what we're doing, and to test out this microphone. Whew, it's cold. All right, so it looks like that microphone test was successful, and here's all it is. This is a piece of masking tape. Not actually, it's not masking tape. It's that other type of tape, duct tape. And you just kind of fold it up and stick it around your microphone like this. Cover this. This has a little tiny hole on the side of this plastic piece. This is my earbuds. I'll pull this out and show you. So see, these are the earbuds. There's the microphone that's built into them. Normally I just stuff this in my shirt like this and it's hanging out right up here. Well, I got on the on YouTube and found out there's a trick you can do that will cover up the wind noise. I mean, you can still hear the wind blowing, but you don't hear all that stuff as I showed you in the sample video there. So I'm pretty pleased with this. Oh yeah.